Hey guys, today I'm here on Bee Swarm Simulator and why am I invisible? Wait, what? Okay, anyway, this is a game that you collect bees and you with your honey, and here I got a little pollen right now. So you come to your base and click E, or you can just tap it if you have an iPad or something, and then it starts making honey for you. And it's a game where you collect pollen, and you got to get bees and backpacks and tools. And when you get a certain amount of bees, you can go to either level 5 or if you want. And if you get 10 bees, you can go up to level 10. And instead of just walking all the way up there, this is what I do. You have to discover 8 types of bees to do this. So some of you might not be able to do this, but it's a slingshot, and it's so cool. See? So cool. But that's just in my opinion. And I joined the club so I can get my daily reward. The reason why I don't have that much money right now is because I kind of spent it on this new tool that I have right here. Here, let me show you how much it was for. It was for It was for 300,000 honey. And I don't know if you guys know, but that takes a long time if you start from the beginning. So yeah, it took a long time. Okay, so guys, we are going, here. And that's for, oh my god, no. No. How am I going to get that? So, if you don't know what this is, guys, it makes you faster and makes you jump higher. So, that's all. These are for 300,000 too, but I didn't want to buy one of those because they're not as good as the better tool. And it takes so long to fill this backpack up, so I had to buy this. Now it takes a little shorter. Hey, Premise. And you can fight people, and when you can fight different kind of bugs that are in your garden, so it's pretty realistic. And if you go in here, they can't get you. So that's a little glitch. And let me show you, well, I already made videos that showed you a bunch of the secrets, and it came out with, Bee Swarm Simulator came out with a new one. Well, it's not that much of a secret, but it's kind of.
The bear bee.
No. It's where it's a glitch, actually. It's a glitch. So if you have 5 bees, you can come over here, and here. There are going to be ladybugs spawning. And look, watch this. If I jump on top of here, they can't get me. Oh, wait. Oh, man. Here, wait. But I know somewhere else I can do this.
Mommy.
Wait, whoa.
Mommy, can you fold?
These are gold bees. Oh, that was sick, dude, guys. If you ever had gold, I didn't even know you could get gold bees. Pretty cool. Oh, huh. And if you jump on top of that mushroom, I can't get you. So, pretty cool. So, and right now, I currently have 13 bees. Okay? And if you want to check out my other video that I made, one day ago, you can check that out down in the description. And here, wait, do I have a royal jelly? I forgot. Nope, I don't. Look how many treats I have, guys. This is crazy. I understand you guys might have hoped on more fallen than me, but okay, it's fine. I just don't really... I don't know what I'm trying to say, guys. And there's quests, which are pretty cool. Oh, wait. The daily reward is here, too? I did not know
And
that.
there's a secret, guys.
Oh, this gives you more. And there's a secret behind here. I already showed you guys this, but
You might have not watched
might have not watched that video. So if you come up here and jump down here, you can lead to here. And if you jump across there, it leads you to a king beetle. And if you beat that, you get, I think, like an egg or either a bee. I forgot. And you can do it if you just go to the side of it and jump over the wheels and get here. So let's see if we can get this ourselves. Okay. Okay. Guys, I'm not much of an obby person, so I might fail. Whew, that was a close one, guys. That was close. Guys, oh, that was clutch. Guys, that was so clutch. So you go here. Is there a royal jelly? I don't know if what's
There's
that.
a royal jelly up there.
Yeah, I think there's a royal jelly. I'm not totally sure. Yes, we made it, guys. No! We were so close. And if you die, all your bees go to sleep. So you won't want to do that and die.
Yeah.
And you lose all of your honey. But I didn't have any honey, so I was lucky. Oh, hey. So this is my brother, guys. If you want to go check out his channel, you can. Down in the description. And, my next bee is 181,000. That would be easy to get to if I sell. Look how quick this is, guys. And you actually don't have to click. You can just hold down your mouse and it automatically just does this. Pretty cool. I translate it myself. And guys, if you don't know, it's a little thing up here that if you pay 6 tickets, you get a royal jelly. That is so expensive.
I got 9
Don't
tickets.
do that, guys.
I got 10 tickets.
And there's a royal jelly up there.
Yeah.
Wait, what is this?
You can just hop up.
4 legendary?
I can get up there.
Okay, wait. Did I do a quest for him? Welcome back. Did that give me... No, he gave me a quest. Wait, my hacker. What's that? Use the weather clock. What does this do? Oh, you have to be part of the club. This.
You are.
Wait, what did it do? Oh, give me a time thing.
Wait! Didn't you see that video?
Give me a time. Wait. Yeah, he had. Oh, okay. Wait. I shouldn't be talking about this, guys. I'm sorry. So. Oh, wait. I didn't know you could get to the time booth thing. So guys, there's a royal jelly in there, if you don't know. And to get in here, you have to have 4 blue bees.
Yeah, you can't. We can't get there yet.
So it's pretty cool. I'm not going to. If you go like here. You might have not watched that video, so I'm just going to show you some of the secrets that I did in that video. If you haven't watched that, it's down below. I'll show you. So, first of all, if you go up there, there's a royal jelly. I haven't got it yet, so I'm going to give it a good old try. I'm going to give it a good old try. Oh, wait. What does this mean? What does that mean? Oh, well. Okay.
I can't.
So you jump there, jump up here. Oh, I don't think I can do this. I've never done it before. Oh, okay. Got it. On to the next. So the next secret is actually in the candy, so a lot of people might not be able to get to it. So that's really problem. So let's go up and show you guys. Oh, by the way, you like my outfit? I'm Bacon Man. Just kidding. I got a Bacon Man shirt. Okay, wait, can I get another cup? Nope, I have to wait. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you about this. There's sprouts, and the sprouts are very, very cool. So if you defeat this, it gives you all kinds of wicked stuff. And they only spawn at a certain time of day in the game. So if you want to get those, you're gladly to, but I'm not going to get it. Here, one of the secrets is there's a pineapple behind the pineapple. Oh, that kind of sounds weird. Here, let me show you another secret. So, guys, if you have 10 bees, then you gotta do this. You gotta go behind Pro Bear. Gotta get between these.
You mean New
And
Bear?
then, no, it's a Pro Bear. And then you're into a maze. And I think I know the maze. Yeah, I think I know the maze. I haven't done this in a long time, so might not. Okay, then you go here.
No, you don't go
Then you
there.
go here. Then you go here. Then you keep going. No, gotta go here. Gotta go here. Gotta go here. Here. And this is where I found the royal gem.
It spawns on a surf.
Yeah, no, it actually just spawns at the same place. Usually, always does.
Yeah, but it never spawns at this time.
Yeah, it doesn't spawn at this time.
It's New Bear, bro.
No, it's Pro Bear. Guys, comment down below if you think this is Pro Bear or New Bear. Because it literally says Pro Bear above it. What is... Oh, I can't believe I'm doing this weird thing. Wait, are these my bees?
Yeah.
Bro. Wait, what? Bro, are these... Oh, no, okay. I was about to say, bro, wait. What is that?
Comment down below if you want to see this. So, if you're our friend watching this video, you have to join us, and then if you have 10 bees, go up here, and then you might see one of these.
Yeah, and we actually put out a VIP link. So these are actually not all of our friends. I think.
And this is our our friend is on the leaderboard.
Yeah. Talk to me. Wait, how many fights have I done? Wait, achievements. I always forget. Whoa, I finished this. I collected 1,000,000 honey. Yeah, I collected 1,000,000 honey. Yes. Okay. So, oh, I finished this quest too. Yeah. Woohoo.
I collected what?
I collected 250,000 things of these things. Like, oh, why am I pointing in the game? I know nobody can see me do that. Of the little ticket things that are circles. I don't know what they're called. Ability things.
I'm just pointing.
Okay. So there's these things called tickets that I forgot to mention. I have 18 right now. So, and these are used to buy different kind of special pets that you have to get a lot. Like the best pet right